Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to give you a tips to do a coloring for your photo to be your Instagram content. And the easiest application that you can use is PicsArt. So you just need to open the PicsArt on your mobile phone, and if you haven't had one, you just need to go visit your app store and then install it. And then you just need to go click this plus button here, and then you just need to go pick the picture that you want to edit. Tap into the see all, and then you just need to find the picture that you want to use here. I would like to use this picture. And now here, the coloring photo that can help you is the effects, because in this effects that could be like a lot of options that can change your photo much more better. You can do with the colors if you want, or you can also do with the simple effects or effects. Okay, in the simple way, you can just find the color that could be matched with your photo here. You can see that the whole color will be changed after you use or apply the effects. And after you got one that make you like your photo, and then just tap apply. The next, I would like to suggest you to use this feature. Swipe into the left side until you find mask, and then just tap mask, and then you just need to go click the shadow, and then you just need to find the mask that could be helping your photo to look much more better. Okay, perfect. And now just need to tap apply again, and you can just download it to get it into your photo library, and your photo are ready to be uploaded into your Instagram. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.